Hey guys, another day with the Danby. I don't know if I can fire it up. I'm not gonna fire it up. The Friedrich in the living room. I could probably put on a fan. Oh. I didn't mean turn it on. I think it might be on like fan. I think it might be on fan or something. Put the TV on. Fan. Oh, I didn't mean. I thought the. I didn't think the. I didn't think this thing was gonna turn on. Yeah, I turned the TV on. So yeah, I think my grandma put batteries in there. Here's the model. I think this is the air conditioner model. DAC6011E. I think that might be the remote model number. Let's see if I can get the data sheet. It was purchased in like 6 or 7 years ago. Ooh, we're gonna flood. Yeah. Hold on. Let me see if I can get the data for you guys. Okay. Oh, here's the data. Yeah. Oh, yeah, here's the data. If my freaking phone will focus. Alright, DAC6011E. This is energy efficient. So this is Energy Star rated. I could probably put on a fan, but I'm not gonna put on cool. This thing has been in the window for quite some time. I mean, she keeps it on when it's hot, really hot outside. You can do the Friedrich in her living room. Didn't mean to turn that on. I'm trying not to, or I can just turn it on. Turn the fan.
Unless you have to put the password in. AJ, do you know how to set it up?
No. No. Here's the Friedrich. Well, it's really disgusting in there. There's probably gonna be the moldiest day for the AC. I'm probably gonna get sick or something. I think this lure broke. I'm not gonna fire it up because I know she's gonna flip out if I do. Your temperature. Ooh, looks broken or something. Your timer, mode, your fan speed. This is to turn it on. I'm not gonna. Yeah, this is to turn it on. I'm not gonna turn it on. This is your timer. Here's your mode. Here's the data. You've seen the data. US12B3OA. This is 11,400 to 11,700. This one's a 208 and 230 volts. I think it's a single hertz. Here's this little heater. I'm not sure what this is. Where it's plugged.
But is there a home screen that gives you the option for all that?
Back to the Danby. Back to the Danby. Yeah, it may be too cold for it to. It's a little cold. Here's the outside. It's really pouring. It's pouring outside. Huh? Huh? What kind of pasta do I want?
What kind of pasta? Does it matter?
Yeah, it doesn't matter.
Anyway.
I'm making videos on the air conditioner.
Videos of the air conditioner? Yeah. Okay, wait 1 second.
I don't know. I'm not gonna turn it on.
Does it matter? How about oh, yeah, Jamali? You like these?
Yeah, I like this.
What's it good with?
I can probably turn it on, but just not on fan. I mean, on cool. I could probably do a little cool. Yeah, I could probably put it on. What's it? Oh, yeah. See if I could put it on. Yeah, it's cold. It's too cold for the compressor to come on. Yeah, it's blowing. That means it's blowing cold air. So this unit does work indeed. Here you go through. There's medium. There's high. Auto. Back to low. What the heck? Is this on cool or is it on fan? I'm not sure what this mode is. I'm kind of confused. Oh, it's on fan. No.
This morning I had it on air. I don't know how to put it on fan. If you...
Yeah, it's too cold for it to come on because it's blowing cold air.
If this thing goes up and down, it means it's on air conditioning. If that don't move, that means it's on fan. Because you can't regulate the fan temperature, but you can regulate the other one.
You put remotes in the battery? I mean, you put the battery... Oh, I guess it was in there. So yeah, the Danby... Excuse me. So the Danby does work, indeed. I'm not going to test the Friedrich out, because it's obviously... not the time to use the Friedrich Unifit. This one I could... Jesus. See, look, you can't point it that way. See if I could do... See if I could turn the compressor on. I'm not sure. Let me see. If not, then let me shut it down. What the heck, man? There. Oh, that's cold. Thing's ice cold already. I didn't bring my temp gun to take the temperature on this Danby. Here, we'll go to the 3 speeds. Your medium, high, auto, back to low. I don't know why it hums. Oh god, spitting shit out. I'm gonna keep it off. There. Yeah. So the Danby works. Maybe I could put the Friedrich on, but just on fan. Maybe. Or that's... Well, the Friedrich I might have to wait until summer. The Friedrich Unifit. Yeah. Let's turn it off. Or, I'll keep it on fan. Alright. That about does this with this Danby.